Hello friends, and welcome to this new course on working on Salesforce security features. Okay, so in this course we will be implementing OWD, organization wide defaults, roles, profiles, permission sets, and everything will be hands-on, step by step, live in front of you. You may be a Salesforce admin, a Salesforce developer, or a Salesforce user, or even you want to know what Salesforce is all about, or if you are using another CRM which does not have those security features and you are keen to understand that how Salesforce provides better security, better access levels for users, then this course is for you. Now we are on this salesforce.com website. If you are not aware of what Salesforce is, it is the #1 cloud CRM today. It has received infinite awards. It is the most growing company today. You can go to Forbes.com, you can go to any business magazine, you will find an article on this. It has got multiple products now, still growing. They have a new release every 4 months. They fix their bugs, they implement new ideas which are given by users, they always enhance their products. So it's growing very rapidly, and learning Salesforce is the best career decision you can take today. Now, to work on Salesforce, we will go for a free trial. I can sign up for a free trial from here as well, but this will give me a only 30 days free trial. So what I will do instead, I will go to developer.salesforce.com and I will sign up from here. Like any CRM, it has got different environment, developer environment and the production environment. So like we have sandboxes and production, it's a common term for most of the applications where we develop in the developer environment, we migrate that to sandbox, we test it there, then we migrate that to production. So similarly, we Salesforce, to increase its developer community, to enhance learning, they give lifetime free access to developer environment. Now Salesforce, when you purchase license for Salesforce, it is subscription based or user based license. Okay, so if you have 10 users, your license cost will be less. If you have 50 users, your license cost will be higher. So their pricing model is user based. Okay, so even if you go to Salesforce website, let's say I go to Sales Cloud here, even you can come from here. So you can watch, you see you have Gartner report here. You can see here, see US $65 per user per month billed annually. So all the licensing fees is per user. Okay. So here what we will do, we'll go to developer.salesforce.com. We will sign up from here. It is a lifetime free account. The only thing is the form is very easy. Signing up is very easy. The only thing is the username which you will use to log into Salesforce should be in the format of an email ID. It could be even abc@xyz.com. The only thing is the format. So the format should be in the form of email. So quickly go to developer.salesforce.com, sign up for an account there, log in, and we will meet in the next video inside our Salesforce org. Everything will be hands-on, step by step, explained in live in front of you. Thanks a lot for taking the course. Meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. All the best.